Hello, dear students. You are welcome to Arc Institute. I am Dr. R.K. Saini, and today I am going to solve JEE Advanced Paper Second of this year. We will discuss each question step by step and understand the concept involved in solving them. So, watch carefully and try to solve the questions along with me. Let's begin. Question number first. Activity equals to specific conductance into 1000 upon m, where m is solubility. It denoted by x also in this question. Therefore, x equals to k specific conductance given 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1000 upon lambda m, molar conductivity. We know that molar conductivity is sum of the conductivity of 1 mole of ions at very dilute solution, or we can say sparingly soluble salt are less soluble in dilute solution. Therefore, we taken conductivity at very dilute solution, and hence we had conductivity, molar conductivity of AgNO3 and NaCl, and substrate value of NaNO3. NaNO3. Therefore, we find conductivity of AgCl by the use of this conductance. 125 add 117 and substrate value of NaNO3 minus 111. Therefore, 131. The molar conductivity is 131, and as the conductance and as the concentration or solubility of AgNO3 is nearly, on solving this question, is nearly 10 to the power minus 5. We write in term of log. Log x equals to log 10 to the power minus 5. And we write log x minus 1 means inverse of the power, and hence our answer is 5. Answer 5. Question next. Question number second. Question second is based upon chemical bonding, particularly bond angle. We find bond angle with help of hybridization as well as Vesper theory. One species is NO2 positive. In case of NO2 positive, hybridization state is sp and regular molecule, therefore bond angle exact 180. In case of nitrate ion, it is also regular species. In case of nitrate ion, it is also regular species, sp2 hybridization and bond angle exact 120. In case of NO2, it is odd electron species, contain one odd electron, therefore the hybridization state between sp and sp2 and as bond angle is nearly 134 degree. And in case of NO2 minus, the hybridization state is sp2, but due to LP-BP repulsion, the bond angle less than 120 and its bond angle is nearly 114 degree. Therefore, answer B. NO2 negative list, then NO3, then NO2, and then NO2 positive. Question number next. Question third. Third question is very important, and the question taken from ozonolysis of polymer of natural rubber. We know that natural rubber is a monomer of isoprene, and it is isoprene. 2-methyl buta-1,3-diene is known as isoprene, and its polymer is known as natural rubber. We write its polymer, and the unit repeating unit is this. Now, question on the ozonolysis, complete ozonolysis of X, that is the polymer, the major product X, give positive iodoform test and Tollon test. X on heating gives NaOH, gives Y, the same product. Therefore, when we write major product, then we also added one unit CH2 CH3. This unit give major product because the free valencies of terminal carbon on ozonolysis, we obtained stable species, this one, and hence CH double bond O, CH2, then CH2 C, CH3 and double bond O. That is the stable species which obtained by the ozonolysis of the polymer of isoprene or natural rubber. This is the stable. Check the molecule. It gives Tollon test with help of aldehyde group, and it gives haloform reaction with help of methoxyketone, methylated ketone. This gives iodoform or haloform test. On heating in alkaline medium, this is the aldol condensation reaction takes place. It is intramolecular cross aldol, in which aldehyde group as a substrate and CH alpha carbon of ketonic group give nucleophile. Therefore, it is nucleophile H. After removal of H, this carbon attack is this point, and H, remove this. Therefore, we obtained 5-membered cyclic alpha hydroxy. This is number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 of carbon contain ketonic group, and this is the CH2. This is the CH2 attached with CO. On heating, this eliminate water molecule, and the final product is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group. Therefore, after removal of water, taking H, the final product is this. And hence answer first is correct. Question number next, question 4. Question 4, taken from biomolecules. Compound X is formed by the composed of 4-chloro-4-deoxy-alpha D-galactose. This molecule is given galactose. Check the configuration. D-galactose is aptamer of D-glucose at 4 carbon atom at carbon 4th, different orientation. In the glucose, this is right hand side, and in galactose, left hand side. Therefore, our projection formula is following type. This OH replaced by Cl because 4-chloro, and hence we write alpha form H, OH, that one is H, OH, OHH, H and Cl, and H and CH2OH. It is the alpha D galactose, 4-chloro alpha D galactose, and write fructose, 1,6-dichloro, 1,6-dideoxy beta D fructose. And in case of beta D fructose, it contains 5-membered ring, in which after removal of OH from first and 6th carbon, we added Cl. This carbon is first, second. By reverting the molecule, this is the Cl, and by glycosidic linkage, water molecule remove from the first carbon of galactose and 5th carbon of fructose, and then glycosidic linkage are there. Therefore, then we consider the orientation 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 carbon of glucose contain chlorine upward, and glycosidic linkage form downward by the removal of water from both sides. And CH2Cl is downward. Therefore, structure first is correct. In another step, Cl is not upward and the glycosidic linkage is not downward. This is question number 4. Question 5. Question number 5. We consider a chemical reaction, their rate with respect to reactant and with respect to product. Stoichiometric coefficient is 1. Therefore, rate formation and rate disappearance are equal, and they are directly proportional to concentration of reactant. Directly proportional to concentration of reactant. With time, concentration of reactant is decreased. Therefore, the rate with time, these are the rate with time are decreases. And hence, graph C correct, P product is incorrect because when we increase concentration, the concentration of product increases, and after a long time the concentration of product remains constant because first order reaction take infinite time for their completion, and as the concentration of product increases and after a long time it becomes constant. Therefore, first is incorrect, second is incorrect because not taken negative sign. Third is correct, and the rate constant K depend only upon the time, only upon the temperature, not time. Therefore, it remains constant because according to Arrhenius equation, we know that K equals to A E raised the power E upon RT, and hence K depends only with temperature. Other factor does not affect the K, and hence this graph is also correct. And answer C and D are correct. Question number 6. This question taken from P block. All reactions are given in your NCERT book. Therefore, when xenon and fluorine 1:5 ratio, then the product is XCF4. XCF4 is P. React with OT, then fluorinating agent, and hence Q is XCF6. On their hydrolysis, on their complete hydrolysis, the product is XCO3 plus 6HF. Now, P, consider the statement first. P has 2 lone pair of electron at the central atom, correct? Because P is square planar geometry at which 2 lone pair of electron present at the xenon, because 4 electron take part in bonding and 4 electrons remains in form of lone pair. First, second side. Q is perfect octahedral geometry. It is incorrect because Q is XCF6. XCF6 has distorted octahedral, or we can say kept octahedron geometry, because 1 lone pair of electron present at the xenon. Therefore, distorted octahedral, or also known as kept octahedron. Therefore, it is the incorrect sentence. First side. Q can fluorinating agent of, yes, correct, because the oxidation state of xenon is positive, and we know that inert gases exist in form of monoatomic molecule. Therefore, they are good fluorinating agent. Is correct option. The molecular structure of R is trigonal pyramidal. This is the R, and hence hybridization state sp3, and hence its shape, molecular shape, depend upon the BP, is trigonal pyramidal like as ammonia. Therefore, this option is also correct. Question number 7. Question 7. This question taken from periodic table. First, second ionization enthalpy of carbon atom is less than boron. We write electronic configuration of carbon in form of second ionization, 2s2 and 2p1. In case of boron, we write electronic configuration 2s2 only, because one electron removed from the 2p. Therefore, second ionization enthalpy of boron is greater than carbon, and hence statement first is correct. Increase order of the ionic radii is also correct, because when we go left to right in the period, then decreases size, or we check another point of view, the charges. When increase positive charge, then the species become smaller. This is also correct. Under identical conditions, solid state, the density of potassium metal is more than the density of sodium metal. It is incorrect, because some exceptions are there. Lithium, sodium, potassium, and rubidium. In general, densities are increased, but the potassium, the density of potassium is less than sodium, because it's much larger volume. Because it's much larger volume due to presence of empty d orbital before outermost shell. Its outermost shell is 4s and empty d orbitals are there. Therefore, its volume is larger. Therefore, the density of potassium is slightly less than sodium. Density of lithium is 0.57 gram per ml. Density of sodium is 0.96 gram per ml. And density of potassium is 0.87 gram per ml. It means the density of potassium is less than sodium. It is incorrect. HH bond energy weaker than HF. It is incorrect also, because effective overlapping takes place between first state orbital of hydrogen. Therefore, single bond enthalpy among all bonds is highest in case of H2, because effective overlapping takes place. Its bond enthalpy is 436 kilojoule per mole, and hence it is also incorrect. Question number 8. Question 8 taken from organic chemistry, and such type questions are missed question, because not complete for any one of the chapter, taking more than one reactions of one chapter. First reaction, acetylation of aniline, then nitration. On acetylation of aniline, the product is acetanilide by first reaction, acetylation in case of pyridine, and acetylation. Then nitration takes place. The nitration, it is the ortho para directing group. Then nitro group present at the para position. Para position. This is the P, nitration. Then hydrolysis. Then hydrolysis takes place. Then para nitroaniline. Then diazotization. Very, very important reaction. Then diazotization takes place. Or we know that diazotization is an important process in which NH2 group, aromatic compound, NH2 group change into N2Cl. And as the product is para-nitrobenzene diazonium chloride. It is compound Q. In another reaction, cumene, isopropyl benzene is cumene. Very important reaction. This reaction given in your NCERT book, and this is the important method, industrial preparation for phenol. When cumene react with oxygen in presence of acidic medium, then the product is phenol and acetone. Phenol and acetone. For separation of the phenol, we treated with basic medium, therefore sodium phenate, and further hydrolysis, then we obtain phenol. And hence S is phenol. Phenol. When react with Q, phenol and Q, then diazotization, then coupling reaction takes place, and the product is azodice. These are the colorful compound. OH, azo group, and it is the compound of T. Due to presence of azo group as a chromophore group, they are the colorful compound. And when acid group present in the compound, then they are generally reddish. Or when basic group are there, then they are yellowish. Then we consider option first. Q on treatment with ethanol generate aromatic aldehyde. It is incorrect, because when ethanol react with this, then this group change into H, and hence the nitro compound is obtained. Incorrect. P gives S gives positive phthalate test. Compound S is phenol and give phthalate test. Phthalate test is very important reaction when phenol treated with phthalic anhydride in presence of concentrated H2SO4, then the indicator phenolphthalein. Then the indicator, namely phenolphthalein, is formed, and their reaction is known as phthalate test or phthalate reaction. The phenol react with phthalic anhydride. This is the reaction. This is phthalic anhydride. React with phenol. 2 molecules of phenol and 1 molecule of phthalic anhydride in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Then water molecule removed from the para position of H and O of phthalic anhydride, and as the product is known as phenolphthalein. It is an indicator and it gives pink color in basic medium, and as this option is also correct. T is dinitro compound, incorrect because it contains only one. T is colorful compound, yes, and hence option B and D are correct. Question number 9. Question 9. This question also taken from biomolecule, or this question is also treated as stereochemistry. On treatment of with HNO3, gluconic acid is oxidized to saccharic acid, whereas glucose is not oxidized to saccharic acid. It is incorrect because HNO3 oxidize aldehyde as well as primary alcohol, and hence both of them give saccharic acid on their oxidation. This is the saccharic acid. It is dicarboxylic acid. Gluconic acid as well as glucose both are gives saccharic acid with HNO3. Therefore, first statement is incorrect. Second statement, fructose give positive Helling test because isomeric glucose and another aldose are present in Fehling solution. We know that Fehling solution is alkaline solution of cupric ion with tartrate ion, and hence in alkaline solution glucose fructose and mannose are exist in equilibrium state. In alkaline solution, these isomers are exist in alkaline medium, and hence due to presence of glucose and mannose, they contain aldehyde group, give positive test with tolerance reagent and Fehling solution. It is correct statement. C option, invert sugar are equimolar mixture of D-glucose and D-fructose, and after hydrolysis they give corresponding disaccharide. It is correct statement. For example, when sucrose treated with dilute acid, then it gives D-glucose and D-fructose, and the sucrose is dextrorotatory, and after complete conversion the solution become levorotatory because the specific angle of rotation of fructose is greater than glucose, and hence the reaction is known as inversion. Specific rotation of invert sugar is -40. It is incorrect because specific rotation always right with respect to one molecule of the mixture. One molecule, and the specific rotation, the specific angle of rotation of glucose is given plus 52.5, and levorotatory fructose is -92.5. Therefore, -40 degree by two molecules, one molecule this and one molecule, and hence specific angle of rotation of invert sugar is -20 degree, not 40 degree, and hence only B and C are correct. Question next. Question 10. Very important question and very simple question. Check the question. XB and XYN. Hydrogen-like species means they contain only one electron. Wavelength of the transition between principal quantum number 1 to n is XB. When X AB, the wavelength, we know that according to Ritz equation, wavelength 1 by wavelength equals to Rydberg constant, atomic number upon n1 square minus n2 square. We putting the value at Rydberg constant Z square 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2, because n equals to 1 and n2 equals to 2. Therefore, the wavelength equals to 4 upon 3 Rydberg constant and atomic number of species X A positive square, equation 1. Similarly, we write Ritz equation for Y species, and their wavelength is 9 by and the N1 equals to 2 and N2 equals to 4. Therefore, the wavelength is 9 equals to 16 upon 3 Rydberg constant Z square of species Y be positive. On putting this value, then we find. Then equation 1 divided by equation 2. When equation 1 divided by equation 2, then we find equation 1 divided by equation 2. Then we find 1 by 9 equals to 1 by 9 equals to 4 upon Z square of X A species divided by 16 and Z square of Y B species. On solving 4, and we find atomic number of species X and Y. The 4 by 9 equals to atomic number of Y B positive and atomic number square of atomic number of X A positive. By taking their root, we find their ratio of their atomic number, and as this ratio is 2 by 3. Therefore, it means the atomic number of Y species is 2. It means it is helium, and the atomic number of species X is 3. It means it is lithium plus 2. And we write B plus A. It means 1 plus 2. And as total 3 answer is there. Answer 3. Answer 3. Helium contain +1 and lithium contain +2, and we write their sum, and as option 3. Next, this question taken from surface chemistry, particularly adsorption. Given equation, in case of concentration term, Freundlich adsorption isotherm. In case of concentration term, we know that taking log of the equation, then we write log X upon M equals to log of K plus 1 by N log of C. When we draw a graph between log X upon M and log of C, then their slope is 1 by N, and this slope is given 1. The slope given 1, it means N equals to 1. Now we find concentration of adsorption. X is the amount, adsorb amount, and M is the amount of charcoal, and C is the concentration present in the solution. And hence we write concentration, initial concentration of acetic acid, and after adsorption concentration of acetic acid, and their difference, and this difference change into amount of acetic acid. Initial concentration of acetic acid is 0.54 gram, amount 0.54. Its molecular mass is 60, dissolved in 50 ml of the solution. Therefore, it is initial concentration. After adsorption, the concentration is M2. Therefore, we find their amount. What is the amount of adsorption? And then we find their concentration. Now, we check concentration of H plus ion. Acetic, after dissociation of acetic acid, it gives acetate ion and H plus ion. In case of weak acid, the concentration of H plus ion equals to C alpha, or we can note the K into C. With help of C and H plus ion, K and C, we find C. Therefore, H plus ion given 10 की power -3, pH3. Therefore, concentration of H plus ion 10 की power -3 root divided by Ka 10 की power -5 equals to C. And hence C is 10 की power -1 or 0.1 m. After adsorption, this concentration before adsorption or initially present. On solving this equation, this concentration is 0.15 m. After adsorption, the concentration of solution is 0.1 m. And hence, this concentration remains in the solution or adsorb amount. This mole present in the 1 liter. This mole present in the 1 liter. This moles 0.05 present in 1 liter. Therefore, is 1 ml, and in 50 ml, the moles multiplied by their molar mass, and this amount is known as X. This is X, and the amount of charcoal is 1 gram, and the concentration of C, putting the value of X upon M equals to K into C की power 1 by N. 1 by N equals to 1, therefore the C. X this, M 1, and C is 0.10. And as we find K, the answer is 1.5. Exact answer 1.5. Check the answer. Question next. Question number 12. Question 12. This question taken from solution, and we find percentage degree of dissociation of B. We find mole percent of the B that has been dissociated. Means we find alpha in term of percentage. And we know that alpha equals to I minus 1 upon N minus 1, where N is 4, where N is the sum of the stoichiometry of product, where N equals to 4. Therefore, we find I. We know that delta TB equals to I KB into M. TB given 8. Initial boiling point of solvent is 400 Kelvin, and the boiling point of solution is 408. Therefore, the elevation in boiling point is 8. I and KB. KB calculate with help of the following equation. KB equals to RM into boiling point of solvent का square upon 1000 into vaporization enthalpy. Vaporization enthalpy given, boiling point given, and the M is the molar mass of solvent. Solvent means S. And then we find molality M 0.25 gram. Its molar mass is 10 times of the molar mass of solvent given in this question. Therefore, 10 M. And the mass of solvent is 99.75 gram. And we find put these values, and then the values put in this equation. Then we find I, and I of this solution is 2. When putting the value of I, then alpha is 1 upon 3, or in percentage into 100. Therefore, the answer is 33.33. 33.33% degree of dissociation. Question number 12. Question number 13. Take the question number 13. Question 13 taken from coordination chemistry, and one molecule. We write cis configuration of this molecule. Cis means both Cl are adjacent to each other, and these are the ammonia. Ligand ammonia. We check triangle with NClN triangle. Therefore, only 2 triangle. This nitrogen above to the plane. Therefore, this trio above and this trio below of this. Therefore, 2 triangle of NClN there in this. And we write another electronic configuration, of this form in case of meridional. Therefore, CO, N, Cl, Cl, N, Cl, and N. Now this N above the plane, therefore 2 trio, 1 and second, 1 N, this and this N, N, this and this, with respect to this N2. Similarly, 2 trio this, therefore 2, 2 and first compound 2, therefore 6 total answer, 6. Question 14. Question 14 also taken from organic chemistry and very important question, because this question is organic as well as biomolecules or basic concept are involved. First, methyl halide react with KCN, then the halogen replaced by cyanide on hydrolysis, then it gives acetic acid. On reaction with red P, this is known as HBZ reaction. Therefore, alpha H replaced by Br with ammonia, then H bromine replaced by N, and as the X is glycine, NH2 CH2 COOH. Find its molar mass. Its molar mass is 75. And in caprolactam, caprolactam is a cyclic amide in which 6 carbon are there. On their hydrolysis, it gives acetic acid. It is the monomer of nylon 6. This is the acid. Amino acid. 6 carbon amino acid. On their polymerization, they give, say, polymer. Suppose 1 molecule of glycine and 1 molecule of this amino acid, which obtained by the hydrolysis of caprolactam. Then they eliminate 1 water molecule and make a peptide bond. CONH2. It means when 1 and 1 molecule of reactant take part in the reaction, then they eliminate 1 molecule of water. When 500 and 500 molecules take part in the reaction, then they eliminate N-1, means 1000 minus 1 means 999 molecule of water are eliminated. Therefore, we find mass of the polymer is mass of 500 molecules. Molar mass of this amino acid is 131. It's 500 molecules. And mass of glycine is 75. It's 500 molecule. Therefore, total mass of reactant minus mass eliminate during the condensation or polymerization reaction, 999 molecule of water, and their molar mass is 18. And as we find exact answer of the species in 85018. It is the correct answer. Question next. Question 15. Based upon the following information. Question 15. 2 liquids A and B. This question taken from solution. Find question first. Given information B. Given the 5 molar solution of B in A. It means moles of B are 5 and the weight of A is 1 kg or we can say 1000 gram. Its molar mass is given 50. Therefore, their moles are 20. Now, first question. The ratio of the molar volume of B in gaseous phase to the molar volume of B in liquid state. In case of liquid state, we know that density equals to mole mass upon volume. Molar means taken 1 mole. Therefore, volume of 1 mole is molar mass. B ka molar mass given 57, and the density of B given is 0.5. Therefore, the volume of this is given 114 ml, or we can say divide by 1000 this liter, and the find volume of B in vapor phase. With the help of the Raoult's law, we know that total vapor pressure of ideal solution equals to pressure of A and pressure of B, sum of this, and the total vapor pressure of the solution is given. Total vapor pressure of solution is given 100 mmHg. Partial pressure of A given is 105. Its mole fraction is 20 moles upon total moles 25. Plus we find mole pressure of B, its mole fraction 5 moles of B, and total mole fraction of 25. On solving this, we find final vapor pressure of B. And hence, check the answer. And this vapor pressure taken in form of mmHg, the vapor pressure of B divided by 760, then it is in liter, in ATM. The vapor pressure taken in ATM, because the volume of the solution taken in liter. Question next. Mole fraction of B in vapor phase. We find that mole fraction of B equals to vapor pressure of B upon P total. Both are, when we find vapor pressure of B is this, and total given 100, and as we find mole fraction of component B in vapor phase according to Raoult's law, as well as vapor phase by Dalton's. Very important question from organic chemistry. First 1,3-dimethyl, or we can say metazylene acid react with acetylation, or 2-chloroethanoyl chloride with anhydrous. Therefore, the product is orthopara directing. These groups are orthopara, and hence the major product may be para and may be para. Therefore, the major product of this reaction is acetylation. Reaction with NaI, then Cl replaced by I. The reaction is known as Finkelstein. Then reaction with sodium phenate, nitrosodium phenate, then I replaced by sodium, and hence the product is O. SN reaction means takes place. This is the product J. After NaBH4 is a specific reducing agent for aldehyde and ketone. Ketone reduced into secondary alcohol. By PBr3, the OH replaced by Br. And as this product is K, and its molar mass is 350. Check their molar mass with the help of the atomic number. Therefore, it is K. Its molar mass is 350. Check. Now, SN reaction takes place during the formation of L as well as M. Then the reaction of ammonia, then halogen replaced by NH2. Therefore, in product L, NH2 replaced by Br replaced by NH2. In product M, the halogen replaced by thiophenol. These are the M and L and M. Check their molar mass. Its molar mass. Total molar mass M 350. Then molar mass of L 350 minus bromine 80 plus add molar mass of NH2 group is 16. Therefore, the molar mass of this compound is this. And in this case, the molar mass 350 minus 80 bromine, and we add 72 carbon and 5 hydrogen and 32 sulfur. Therefore, 109. And now we consider volume with the help of law of equivalence. compound L give 1 mole of this compound because only NH2 group take part in Jaldal method. NO2 does not. NO2 does not give ammonia. And 1 mole of this compound gives 1 mole of ammonia. And according to law of equivalence, X factor is 1 and milli equivalent of H2SO4. NV upon 1000. Their mole, if their mass is given, their mass given 5.72 and their molar mass is 286. These for the moles or equivalent, and 1 molarity 1, X factor 2, and their volume, we find their volume divided by 1000, the volume 10 ml. In case of sulfur, 1 mole, in case of sulfur, 1 mole of compound M gives 1 mole of H2SO4, and in case of estimation of sulfur, 1 mole of barium sulfate is formed by the treatment of barium chloride. Then 1 mole of barium sulfate is formed. Therefore, their mole given mass 3.79, their molar mass is 370, check, and this mole equals to moles of barium sulfate, and we find their mole, their molar mass is 233. Therefore, the amount of barium sulfate is 2.33, and it is the paper of JEE Advanced which conduct in this year. Okay, thank you.